initially in the case, somebody in our office did speak with him, and he is at the current time, or at least when they spoke to him, in Maui. I don't know if that's where he's permanently residing now or not, but that is where he was when our victim advocate spoke to him, and he was not, he did indicate that he wasn't particularly cooperative with our prosecution. So that's basically the state's position on,
Okay.
on what I know about him and with regards to the motion.
All right, at this point, counsel, you're not asking to lift the no contact order, just the no trespass, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. We're not going to try and contact him in Maui.
All right, the motion is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, would you send me a proposed order, please?
Yes, Your Honor, we will.
Thank you, sir. Is that your only case today?
That's it. Thanks. Pleasure working with you.
Good to see you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.
Oh, you were brilliant. You did a great job. I'm sorry.
All right, moving on. All right, we do have one gentleman present in the courtroom. Who is this gentleman?
Judge, this is Mr. Jose Jesus Robles Arroyo. He's on the 10 a.m. docket. Case number.
You want to switch real quick? You want to switch to the 10 o'clock docket, please, to address this gentleman? All right. So 21 MM 471, correct?
Correct.
All right. Good morning, sir.
Sir, Mr. Robles does not speak, speak Spanish, so
Then
we've
we'll
not had a chance to converse with him yet.
Then we'll need an interpreter.
Correct, Judge.
All right. Never mind. One moment. Let's see if we can get an interpreter down
We're
here.
gonna get a Spanish interpreter too. Yeah.
All right. Let's go through the rest of the 9 o'clock docket then. Let's go back over there real quick, please. All right. Who was the in custody gentleman that we had to move to 215?
Mr. Benjamin A. Algiers, case number 21 MM 672, not represented.
All right, Mr. Stewart, that gentleman is unrepresented.
Which case are we on, Judge? I'm sorry.
21 MM 672, Benjamin A.
Oh, yes, Judge. I was going to request a 1-week continuance on this case.
All right, I still want to do that at 215 because, like I said, he's in custody and unrepresented.
Okay.
I want to talk to him and see if he wishes to apply for the public defender and go through all that with him before we address the continuance. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right. And that, let's see. The other 9 o'clock is 21 MM 673, Pamela M. McGuire, represented by Mr. Berry, who I'm certain filed a written plea of not guilty. Has an information been filed?
No, Judge. Also asking for 1 week on that case.
All right, that's granted. It's then on Monday the 17th at 9 o'clock for arraignment, please. Yes, ma'am. Roll it 1 week to next Monday's DV arraignment, please. And then the last one on the 9 o'clock is 2009 MM 2796. Motion to expunge. Typed by Mr. Lucarelli. No?
No,
Do you have it on the docket?
I only have 4 for 9.
Ruby, do you have a Kachuska
Yes, but that's represented by Amy
Shirvanapur?
Yes.
No, Amy Shirvanapur was a public defender over 10 years ago here. That was the original attorney.
Okay.
Mr. Lucarelli filed the motion to expunge.
Okay. I do still have that on the docket, though, Your Honor.
Okay, that is on the docket.
Yes, I have that name as a defense attorney. That's why I didn't see Lucarelli.
Oh, okay. Mr. Lucarelli is not here, but does the state otherwise object to the motion to expunge?
No, Judge, not if the proper payment's been made, and I believe I looked at this and saw the certificate.
There is a motion, there is a supporting affidavit, there is a certificate of eligibility. Payment has not been made. So what I can do, if the state doesn't otherwise object, is I can have my judicial assistant inform Mr. Lucarelli's office that the motion will be granted upon payment and submission of a proposed order.
No objection to that.
All right. And I'll take care of that. And that's it for the 9 o'clock. That was exciting. All right.
Judge, if possible, could I'm going to have coverage at 10 o'clock because I have something else I need to take care of. Could we knock off some of the 10 o'clocks if Madam Public Defender is ready?
I'm fine with that.
I'm ready. The only one I can't do is, Mr. Rosa, so that we need to talk to him.
Right. And we need an interpreter is on their way.
Okay, I can do all the others this time.
All right. Let's see. What about Brooke Maggie Rodriguez? Are you ready on the 10 o'clock docket?
I am, thank you.
Brooke Maggie Rodriguez, 20 MM 1080.
Mr. Tony was on behalf of Ms. Rodriguez, would like to set for trial call.
All right. State, you ready?
Right. An interpreter is on the way.
Oh, hold on. Sorry, that was YouTube butting in.
I could have one moment, Judge.
Yes, sir. All right. So I am primary the week of the 24th, and I don't think that we've started where I have to wait until Wednesday to start my trials. We're going to do that when we're doing 2 trials, or maybe I do. Actually, I think I do.
Yes.
I do. All right. So the first day we can start a trial is Wednesday, the 26th.
Okay.
Judge, we can go ahead and set it. That's fine.
All right. Let's set it then for Monday, the 24th for trial call. Obviously, no witnesses required to be present. No jurors will be there. I am going to do a motion cutoff at 5 p.m. on Friday, the 21st. Any motions not filed by that point will not be heard because we have Monday and Tuesday to hear them.
Understood, sir.
All right. And let's see. I've got Keene Davenport Salters, 20 MM 1436.
Yes, Judge Tony was on behalf of Mr. Soldiers, if you could get a continuance to the next pre-trial. He has an open felony, so it's not going to resolve all pieces.
All right, state no objection to continuance
Objection.
with a waiver?
Yeah, sir.
All right.
And that's on both cases, Mr. Salters?
Oh, there's 2 cases?
2 cases for Mr. Salters.
Thank you. I assume that's both cases then, yes? All right. So that will then go to June the 14th at 10 o'clock. And the other case was 20 MM 2060. All right. I've got Ricardo Enrique 20 MM 2028 and 21 MM 462.
Yes, Judge Tony was on behalf of Mr. Costello, if we could get a continuance, for competency proceeding.
All right, have you filed a motion to have the order for evaluation?
Not the report back on Friday.
All right, state no objection on that basis.
No objection to a continuance.
All right, with waiver?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you'll get the competency hearing scheduled with my
Yeah.
office. Very well. All right, both cases then will be continued to June 14th at 10 o'clock. I've got Ileana Ortega, 21MM310.
Yes, Judge, same continuance. We had filed a motion for competency exam or office law secretary. But back in secretary, the schedule the examination.
All right. Asking for continuance for the waiver.
Yeah,
Stay in the objection. All right, June 14th, 10 o'clock. Jose Jesus Rosas Arroyo, 21MM471.
yes, Judge, he is here.
Oh, right. Right, sorry, we needed, and there he is. All right, let's just call a couple more, and then we can use this gentleman's assistance. All right, Deidre Hudlin Michelle, 21MM518.
Yes, Judge, sometimes I'm passing this to Michelle.
Okay, you ready?
One moment, Judge. Your Honor, I have a witness who was out from May 19th to May 26th. So I guess if we could, if there's a way we can note that, well, and they're out May 28th as well. So I guess the only day we'd be available would be the 27th. If that's possible, then we can set it.
Let's set it for trial call on the 24th. Allow the parties to, you guys keep talking. If it's gonna go, it'll go on the 27th. Obviously, I just asked that, that you remind me if we're really gonna go on that day. And we'll make sure that that witness can get called on that day, even if it ends up being a 2-day trial for one reason or another.
I imagine it will be a brief trial, Judge. It's just it's either jail calls or jail emails, so.
Okay, fair enough. All right. So like we said, so this case will be set for the 24th for trial call. Motion cutoff is Friday the 21st at 5 o'clock. All right. And I think that's it, with the exception of Mr. Rosas Arroyo, yes?
Correct, Judge.
All right, you want to take a moment to talk to him?
Thank you.
It's short, just hang tight, please. You can go off the record for a moment.